What up? What's up, everybody? This is day one of my vlog. We'll be doing a vlog series every week, and here's the first day. I'm going to document my journey of getting back into shape to be able to build Alpha Fitness Coaching as big as I possibly can. I've changed a lot of things here recently in the last couple months of my life due to life changes happening. Had a new baby, we just moved, kind of hitting the reset button, but in a better and a bigger way. I've been a fitness coach for 16 years, but I've never built a brand for fitness coaching. I've never, it's always just been me and just kind of like, you know, doing it kind of under the radar and not really putting myself out there. But I have gotten the itch and the desire to build this huge brand, this huge fitness brand. And I want to document my journey from A to infinity to show everybody how this whole thing goes. And you can follow me and go through this journey with me because it's new to me. I'm doing a lot of learning, and I really can't wait till this thing grows to where I see it growing and where I see it getting to. And the whole purpose is I just want to help as many people as I possibly can. I love fitness coaching. I've been trying to figure out for years how to blow it up, how to turn it bigger than just me doing it. And I finally feel like I have the recipe to do it after reading a ton of books, going through coaching programs, going through all kinds of different business things to get me better at this. And so yeah, that's why I'm here. And you can follow my journey from being in my life, I've had a lot of financial up and downs. Like I've been very, very successful, very wealthy, in my opinion, doing very, very well. And then I've been on down times where like I'm broke all the time. Or basically living paycheck to paycheck. And you're catching me at more of a downtime in my financial life. But just like anything else, if you've done it before, you can do it again. And I want to document my journey of basically taking my training business, turning it into a brand, and blowing it up. In the meantime, while I'm doing that, I also have to get myself in premier physical condition so that way I can lead by example for my brand and for the business. And so I am going all in on this, on fitness. I'm going all in on my clients, on building this brand. So you're going to see me kind of stumble and hopefully see the ups and downs of what entrepreneurship looks like while trying to get yourself in ridiculous, great physical condition and being a new dad and just so many other things. So I hope you enjoy the journey. I don't honestly care if anybody watches this. I just want to document my journey so that way I can always look back on it and see what I did. But I invite you to join with me, and I invite you to hang out for the ride, and hopefully it can be entertaining for you along the way too as well. So, and educational. I hope people learn from this process. Man, I've done so many different things in business and in fitness, and now finally I'm 36 years old. Everything has now kind of came together, and I feel like there's a big synergy between everything now. I finally have a good, clear path and clear focused plan to build this brand and to build me. So welcome you to watch the journey. It should be a good time. And I'll slice and dice this whole thing up. I'm learning how to do video editing a lot better. I'm going to try to keep these video vlog posts, hopefully try to keep them like down to a minimum of 30 minutes so they're easy to watch. But so yeah, I'm about to go work out myself here at Lifetime Fitness. I really like Lifetime. It's been good. And you can see me driving my extremely crappy car, but it's all about saving money. It's all about being frugal. especially when you're starting a brand and starting a business. They say you have to eat shit for a while, and I'm willing to do that. I'm willing to do what it takes to get myself in the best condition possible and do what it takes to build this brand to a highly successful brand that people go to see the best results possible in getting into shape and losing weight and all that good stuff. So thanks for watching, and yeah, again, day one of Coach Aaron Anderson's video blog, also known as a vlog. I'll get it down soon, hopefully. Backseat riding to make sure our little guy doesn't get mad anymore. He's better now, it looks like.
Where should I go?
This way probably. Making a Costco run.
Well, it's $20, but they're your protein bars.
Oh yeah. So yeah, these are really good. Paleo, black pepper, pork free. Did you get one of these?
Yeah.
Sweet. Covering so many things. Look at this. Fresh organic, boneless, skinless chicken breast, $5.49 a pound. Look at these. 24 bucks. High quality. That's where it's at. Kirkland signature grass-fed patties, 5-pound bag. That's so cheap for 5 pounds of grass-fed beef. Costco is the shit. Happens, I go off on my own filming stuff and I get lost and I lose Brittany. Oh no. I'll find her. So we're discovering Costco is our friend, maybe even our best friend. Grass-fed beef sticks. Look at this snack. Sodium a little high, but you know, only 3.5 grams of fat per. So it is Saturday. Last night was a little bit of a rough night. We had our little boy, our little baby. He's having a lot of stomach issues and was up all night, all morning, puking and having issues with his bowel movements and all that stuff. So this morning we had to go take care of that and make sure he was all good. Fortunately he is. He just has a dairy allergy that's pretty tough on him. So gonna have to pivot on that and try to figure out what things he can have and can't have and how to manage it appropriately. So that was my night. Haven't had a lot of sleep. Gonna try to hit a chest and tri and shoulder workout here at a good old Lifetime. Before my clients, I got some clients today. Had to miss coaching flag football this morning, which I'm not real happy about. Coach my 7-year-old at flag football. Good thing I have a great assistant coach, and good thing he has a great stepdad who was able to hop in and take over today. So pretty blessed with the support system for my kids, and pretty blessed that I get along great with my ex-wife and her new husband and all those things. We have a great setup. So, but nonetheless, doesn't make me any less tired or any less grumpy. But so hopefully I'll be able to shoot some footage in here today of me actually doing some stuff. It's pretty busy, so I don't want to be rude with people, but at the very least, try to get something in there. And then, of course, going to try to go when the time is a little bit less busy, so that way I can try to get some better content and try to get some stuff out there. But either way, happy Saturday. Continuation of the vlog, rock and roll. So now that I'm on YouTube and doing all this stuff, I better do what they all do at the end of the YouTube videos and are like, smash that like button if you like this video and hit the subscribe button below if you would like to see more videos just like this one. And then, of course, hit the bell notifications so that way you can get alerted every single time I get a new video up or new content up for you just like this one. Thanks again for watching. This was the Alpha Vlog, episode 1. Have a great day.